Okay, here we are, episode number 8, and now we're going to shellac. I'm going to shellac this whole thing, but I'm going to start with this part here, then I'm going to hang it up, let it dry, and then later on, I'll do the bottom. Turn this on and start spraying. Well, okay, we got all the shellac painted, all sprayed on, came out nice. All I can do is polish it up now, and well, that's not all. I mean, I have to polish it, but I have to take off all this green tape now. So that's it's not a big job, just another job. So we'll begin.